Welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name's Nicole. If you're old, welcome back. And today I got my Boxycharm. It's a small box, or almost harkens back to their regular size boxes of the old. So let's dive on in and see what we got this month. Last month wasn't this early. It's literally the 7th. No, mine wasn't that early, but and I think the week it came is the week my grandma passed, so I wasn't paying attention to it. So the theme is totally boxy. It does have everything that I have gotten in this box on the back of it. So let's dive on in. Okay, first thing I've got is the Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. This weightless powder sets and refreshes makeup for a silky, smooth, and visible finish. Formulated with 50% water and glycerin, this powder creates a mist-like sensation on the skin for a seamless finish and comfortable feel. MSRP is $39. This is an ultra translucent refreshing powder that dusts on like a mist and sets the makeup to help extend wear. The weightless powder sets, perfects, and refreshes makeup for a silky, smooth finish, and then applied throughout the day to refresh. So I did get translucent. That's what it looks like. People always say it looks like half full. I haven't bought the full size, but all the samples like look this still, even when you get a little sample. So I want to give it another go, because I only gave it a shot once or twice and had like a sample that was this big. I now have samples that are like this big, so it'll be easier to get like a set amount and try it, and then before I use like this big one to see if I even like it. I'm thinking it might be okay as an under eye. I really doubt, like nothing holds back, you know, my nose oils except for like Maybelline Fit Me. So next, and I really wanted to try this. This is the Tarte Big Ego Mascara. This is an ultra black vegan mascara that lifts your lashes and delivers a fully loaded flutter for up to 16 hours. So twisted double fiber bristles for max pigment load, lash loving ingredients. I thought this was like waterproof or something, but it says 16 hours, so maybe it's like smudge proof or supposed to be. But it's supposed to like take your eyelashes from that to that. So if I didn't already just put on some mascara, I'd put on some more. But I was wanting to try this just to see, because I like the Tarte Ready Set Lashes, the camera Ready Set, whatever. But I need to try that, and I think it has a waterproof version now, because like it's just smudged. I love this pink. It's like a neon pink. I'm hoping that shows up. It's literally a neon pink. So yeah, I'm actually gonna give that a go. And you're not supposed to put any mascaras that don't work for me. I usually pass along to my mom or my nieces or something. That works. Oh, and that is $23. Okay. Next up, we got a little smush. This is the Wonder Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. This multitasking beauty elixir instantly hydrates and absorbs into the skin, revealing a bouncy, youthful complexion no matter what skin type you have. The lightweight, powerful formula nourishes and primes the skin and helps to restore skin's moisture barrier while providing a youthful glow. The spill-proof dropper allows you to use it one drop at a time. This is $42. Minimum effort, maximum results. Black currant seed oil, niacinamide, which is apparently really good for your pores and stuff. Bring out skin's inner radiance with our illuminating oil. Light diffusing optics deliver instant luminosity, while a potent blend of our signature beauty oils and antioxidants help brighten, moisturize, and improve the appearance of skin over time. Gently squeeze tube to release 2 to 3 drops of Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil onto fingertips and massage into skin until fully absorbed. Okay, it says formulated without mineral oil, parabens, phthalates, synthetic fragrance and cruelty free. It does not say vegan. One, it doesn't have the ingredients listed, so I need to check that, because if this has honey or propolis or argan oil, it's a no, just because my skin does not like those things. If it has carmine in this, if they dyed this pink or red and put carmine in it, then that's a big no, because even though my face will take a minute to let me know that, hey, that's not good for your skin, you're allergic to that, it's not, and if I accidentally get it in my eyes, oh no. So I'm gonna see what's in this. I'm gonna have to look it up, and I might put a clip or write a little note or something like that and post it right here to let y'all know if it had honey or propolis or argan oil or carmine in it. We'll see, but if not, I'm kind of excited to use it. I am a sucker for the Tarte Maracuja oil, which is $48 for a huge bottle. The huge bottle would actually probably last me like half a year almost, or 5 months, something like that, because the travel size, which is $16, lasts me about 3 months or so. So this is $42 for this size, and I know you're only supposed to use a couple drops, but yeah, it's still a little up there. Okay, next up is from Saint Laurent. This is a lip liner. Reshape your size and redefine your pout. This lip liner is total magic. It smooths over your lip line for a seamless and flakeless finish. Completely waterproof, so no transferring or bleeding all day long. Lasts up to 7 hours. MSRP is $15. And I'm guessing it's a darker brown nude, which is fine. I'm probably gonna pass that along. I have a few lip liners. I don't use them ever. Next up are from Ace Beauty. This is a glimmer shadow duo. Got some gorgeous colors. These are high pigmented soft shadows with a creamy texture, specially designed for the ultimate color payoff. These shadows provide bold color in one swipe without fallout, creasing, or fading. These are $25. Oh good, and we have ingredients. Let's have manganese violet, red number 40. Okay, so has castor oil, pretty up there. It's like the 4th or 5th ingredient. It does have talc and mineral oil or synthetic mineral oil, and acetyl palmate. But the first ingredients are mica and dimethicone. On this one, this is the, oh, it's so pretty, reddish gold. I'm gonna swatch these in just a second. I just wanted to check the ingredients. This one has even less ingredients. As for color, okay, so this is iced latte. So pretty. Love the packaging. So this would put them at $12.50 a piece. They're only sold in duo, but I looked online because I was actually hoping to get these, but oh, so pretty. Get that glitter in it. Oh, can you see that glitter moment? I'm hoping you can see that glitter moment. That's like silvery glitter in it. It's awesome. Hoping they're vegan. Ace Beauty, or Beauty, whatever you want to pronounce it. I think most of all their palettes are vegan, even though they don't come out and say vegan, which is good. But I was looking for that, but they don't have the ingredients listed online for some reason. But I think these are pretty new. But they don't smell like anything. But look how pretty. That's like my color. I love this color. It's like my favorite color out of the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, the big one. And in several other eyeshadow palettes. It's in the Magic palette by Juvia's, I do believe. Juvia's and a few others. But that is like my favorite shade. That rosy gold color. Oh, look how pretty that is. Sight on really easy. I'm going to give these a go. I don't care. I'll just like hide them by themselves. They're so pretty. So I'm actually excited I got these, because let me tell you what, even though these are supposed to be a different formula, they kind of feel like the regular shadows, but they're supposed to, somebody compared them to ColourPop Super Shock. I don't really feel that kind of texture. Maybe a little. They're, look, I still have all that pigment on my hand, on my fingers. So, but their eyeshadow palette, even though it wasn't uber neutral, but it was kind of colors you've seen before, but I fell in love with that palette when we got it in Boxycharm in like November or December or something, and I loved that. I had to force myself to put it down. I loved it so much. I was using it every day just because the colors are so gorgeous together. and just stayed. They were so pretty. So anyway, so I'm not mad at this box from this because I've been wanting to try this, even though I've got like a million mascaras lately, and try this one without buying it. So I really wanted these, so I'm happy for these. This is okay. I wanted to give it another go. I don't want to completely rule it out, and I just got a couple of good size samples in that I want to give it a go before I say no to that powder. But if that powder doesn't work for me or I just don't like it, I will pass it along to somebody else. That's fine. And same thing with this. I'm hoping it doesn't have the oils my skin doesn't like. I'm hoping it doesn't have carmine. So I'm going to look up the ingredients and let y'all know. See if my skin likes it. If it doesn't like it, I can always pass them on to somebody else. The only bad thing is this lip liner, and $15 for a lip liner. But, you know, whatever. I'm sure a lot of people are fans of that. And I would say it's color chic, so yeah. I'm sure it's a nude, so. Anyway, so thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Toodles!